Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to replace the front parking light bulb on a Suzuki Vitara from 2007. As you all can see, the right parking light bulb on this car is not working anymore, so today I decided to replace it with those new Osram bulbs. To remove the parking light bulb from this car, you will have to remove this bolt from the top, and after that you will have two more clips onto the side, this one and this one. You will have to use a special tool to remove the clips without breaking them. I have a tool like this, but you can also use a flat screwdriver. Just be careful because you won't have spare parts to replace them if you break them. After you remove the plastic clips, to remove the bolt from the top, you will have to use a 10mm socket and just unscrew it. After that you will push the dust cover from the wheel. You will have to put it aside in order to make your hand fit behind the headlight and remove the little bulb. Now, in order to remove the bulb from the headlight, you'll have to turn it to the left, and after that you have to pull from it. You have to turn it and pull, and after that it will come out very easy. And from there, you just have to pull the little bulb and install the new one, and after that you'll have to put everything back together and check if it's working. As you all can see, this is my bulb, this is how it's looking, and this is how it also should look on your car. From here, just take the little bulb out. You have to pull it like this and install the new one, and that's it. You can check if it's working. I'm not going to check it because I'm 100% sure that it's working, and I'm going to put everything back together. And it's the same for the other side. It's the same for both of the sides. Maybe it's a little difficult onto the driver's side because maybe the space to work with is smaller, but it's very simple and anyone can do it at home and with no tools needed. I'm done with installing everything back together onto the car. Now it's time for us to check if the bulbs are working properly. Put the ignition and start the headlights. And as you all can see, the bulbs work perfectly. I replaced both of them because I wanted to be sure that every bulb is new. This is all you have to do in order to replace your parking light bulb at home on a Suzuki Vitara from 2007. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below.